If you weren't a life coach, what would you be?
I don't know. Then I would be the next thing. What I really see myself is like a very ideal homemaker, a good mother. I've always loved. There's this one part of me that loves the homely life, right? But I don't see myself as anything else because I grew up knowing that I was born to make some difference to the world. And I remember as a child also I would have sleepless nights, right? Because I just knew कि मुझे ना मेरे अंदर है कुछ देने के लिए. But then I would wonder as a child कि मेरी बात कौन सुनेगा? And that is when I was 26, 27, I had this inner awareness that if I really want to be someone, I will have to work hard on myself and become someone that people will listen to what I have to say. And it's been quite a journey. The 30 years has been quite a struggle journey. But today, I'm so much in gratitude to God for actually creating this. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कुछ और समझ ही नहीं आता मैं क्या करती.
आप
शायद मैं घर पे ही बैठती और एक
इतने सारे लोगों को कोच करते हो, उनका फियर दूर करने में हेल्प करते हो, उनको डिसीजन मेकिंग में हेल्प करते हो, बट आई एम श्योर आपकी लाइफ में भी कुछ तो ऐसा फियर होगा जो यू नो विच डू यू हैव एनी बिगेस्ट फियर इन योर लाइफ?
सो नो feeling of fear है. देखो, please understand, we are all human beings and we all have emotions, like we have organs in the body. Like asking me आपका fear है is asking me आपके पास liver है. ये anger, fear, sadness, ये human emotions है. हर एक इंसान के पास होते हैं, right? However, over time I have learned to manage these emotions. So जब fear आता है ना, today where I am, I realize I am bigger than my fear. I am not my fear. I am a soul who's having this fear. So I don't become my fear. I manage it. Right? Versus 20 years back, वो डर मुझ पे हावी हो जाता. I would make the fear big and I would become small. See, please understand, we are a soul who has a body. We have a mind and we have emotions. But we are not our emotions. राइट? सो गुस्सा आता है, यस, बट क्या उस गुस्से से मैं किसी का हार्म करती हूँ आज? नहीं. अगर 10 साल पहले आप पूछते तो शायद मैं हार्म करती, मैं चिल्लाती, चीखती. सो यू ग्रेजुएट ओवर द इयर्स. मरते दम तक ये इमोशंस रहेंगे हमारे साथ. पॉइंट वो नहीं है. पॉइंट वो है कि हम उनको कितना हावी होने देते हैं. They say no, you can't allow your emotions, you can't become your emotions. Because you are not your emotions, you are an infinite soul who's having these emotions. And the emotions ना एक ocean के waves है, आते जाते. Emotion is energy in motion.
Yep.
वो आया वो चला जाएगा. But हम लोग ना उसको story attach करके पकड़ लेते हैं और उसको बड़ी बनाते रहते हैं mind में. So do I have fear? Yes. Does my fear overpower me? No.
So the crux of it is accepting whatever emotions you have and not being in the denial phase.
Not being in the denial, because the moment you resist, it persists. Then one story gets attached to it and you start going to spiral, and more downward it starts pulling you down.
So just last one question. Would you want to give message to somebody who is confused if they have depression, or you know they are in the verge of getting clinically depressed, but currently you know they are confused कि मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए या घर पे मुझे कुछ इलाज करना चाहिए या medication की तरफ जाना चाहिए? What message would you want to give?
See, I want to say something that clinical depression is very real, right? And अगर आपको कुछ symptoms हो रहे हैं, first go and see a psychiatrist or a psychologist or a therapist. Let them help you analyze. Get your blood test done. See your blood work. Sometimes D3, B12 levels बहुत low होते हैं और उसकी वजह से भी हम spiral होते हैं, right? So see your blood work, because your blood is an indicator कि हमारा chemistry क्या हो रहा है. The second thing is, please reach out to your family for help first. And more than the person undergoing depression, I want the family people to overpower and take control of them and take their responsibility. Because वो तो एक dark space में जा चुके हैं या जाने वाले हैं, तो उनको तो awareness है ही नहीं ना. So जब भी कोई ऐसा केस आता है, first I want to see the family and I say family का support बहुत ज़रूरी है निकलने में बाहर. So don't suffer alone. You're not alone in this. You know, God gave you a family. Coexistence is the key. So let's depend on each other. We are an interdependent species. We are not an independent species, right? So we must reach out to someone for help and not suffer alone.
Okay, one last question, क्योंकि this is something I am myself suffering. So when there is a situation, that situation is not big enough, but just because I overthink a lot, तो वो इतनी होती है तो मैं उसे इतनी बना देती हूँ. So is there any way to stop overthinking?
Yes. First of all, देखो हमारा माइंड जो बना है ना, वो ऐसे बना है, इट्स अ मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास. किसी भी सिचुएशन को वो बड़ा बनाती है बिकॉज our mind is designed for self-preservation. And as a species, we've come from the primitive times where we were, in the jungle. So any animal also coming up, our mind exaggerates things. वो उसका काम है. However, the moment we take few deep breaths, conscious breaths, we come out of that exaggerated state and we come into reality, and our lens changes. So हम उस बड़ी चीज को हम एनालाइज कर सकते हैं. So the whole point is, when your mind is exaggerating and overthinking, it's gone into a spiral of the thought process. At that moment, taking 3 or 4 deep conscious breaths will center you into your, anchor you. And then you can start analyzing and say, am I really thinking, is it worth it? नहीं, ये सच में तो हो नहीं रहा, चलो इसको जाने देते हैं, right? And overthinking is a sign that our lower chakras are also blocked, our energy centers. So that requires a level of energy balancing. But the instant step is 3 or 4 deep breaths, conscious breaths. And suddenly you can become aware that why am I going to aspire? मैं इतना क्यों सोच रही हूँ?
I think this podcast was not just a podcast. It was a healing to myself, and I hope इससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा energy, healing, और कोई भी चीज़ में अगर आप उलझे हो, depressed हो, sad हो, तो आप अपने उस friend के साथ share करें, ताकि उस friend को भी help हो और आपको भी help हो और हमें भी help हो और हमें भी motivation मिले. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Ramon, for getting in touch with Bhavishyavani and for your time. I'm so
Thank you
grateful.
so much, and I really appreciate this. It was wonderful.